How to make your Snapchat account private. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your Snapchat account from public to private. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. From here, scroll down to the privacy and control section and start with the view my story option. And here make sure that it is set to friends only. And once you're done with that, you can simply go back and tap on contact me. And here make sure that it is connected to friends and contacts. And once you're done with that, you can simply go back and tap on see me in the find friend. And here you can simply uncheck the box. And by doing that, it will disable this option and prevent others from finding you in their friend suggestion. And after that, you can go back and tap on activity indicator. And here you can turn it off so no one can see you when you are online. And at last, simply go back and tap on comment settings. And here you can choose either manually approve or auto approve my friends. And by following these steps, your account will be private and only accessible to the people you have added. And just like that, your Snapchat account is private. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.